Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grease your Honda Odyssey sliding doors. First, gather your supplies, including a good quality lubricant and cleaning cloths. Next, open the doors fully to expose the tracks and rollers. Ensure the vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. This preparation is key for effective lubrication and smooth operation, preventing future issues and extending door life. For this job, you'll need a high-quality silicone or white lithium grease. Avoid petroleum-based products, as they can attract dirt. Grab a clean cloth, a small brush, and a flashlight to help you see. Park your Odyssey on a flat surface and open both sliding doors fully. This ensures you can reach all the critical areas for proper lubrication. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the upper and lower door tracks with your cloth, removing any dirt or old grease. Next, clean the rollers and hinges. Once clean, apply a thin, even layer of your chosen grease to the rollers, the pivot points, and the door check mechanism. Don't forget any visible springs or moving parts that assist the door's movement. After applying the grease, gently open and close the sliding doors several times. This helps to evenly distribute the lubricant across all moving parts. Wipe away any excess grease from the tracks or painted surfaces to prevent dirt accumulation. Finally, confirm that the doors now operate smoothly and quietly. Performing this maintenance every 6 months will keep your Odyssey's sliding doors working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.